Good morning, children. We have started the new chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities, and in that you have learned what is an algebraic expression, what do you mean by terms, and what is numerical coefficients, factors, etc. Also, you have learned what are monomials, binomials, polynomials, what are like terms, what are unlike terms, and you also learned how to add, subtract, and multiply algebraic expressions. Now, let us revise what you have learned. Today, we will discuss the exercise given in your textbook. First, we will see the questions in exercise 9.1. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. See the first question given there, 5xy square minus 3zy. The question is, identify the terms and their coefficients. In that question, how many terms are there? You can see there are two terms. One of the term is 5xy square and the other term is minus 3zy. Now you want to see which are the numerical coefficients or coefficients. Here in the first term the coefficient is 5. In the second term the coefficient is minus 3. Because here you can see one negative sign, so it is minus 3. Coefficient of first term it is positive 5 and coefficient of second term it is minus 3. This is the question given, and I told you how many terms are there? Two terms are here, 5xy square and the second term it is minus 3zy. So terms are arranged in column wise, that is 5xy square minus 3zy are the terms, and here the coefficient is 5 and in the second term the coefficient is minus 3. Like that. See the second question. 1 plus x square. There you can see three terms, 1x and x square. That is 1x and x square. Three terms are there and all of its coefficients is 1. Third question, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. Here there are three terms, that is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square and z square. Three terms are there and see the coefficients given there. Here it is 4 minus 4, here it is 1. That is written in the third column. Fourth question, 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. There are four terms. Which are the terms? 3 is one of the term, minus PQ is another term, QR is another term, and minus RP is the fourth term. And see the coefficients there. In the first term the coefficient is 3. The second term the coefficient is negative PQ, means it is minus 1 into PQ. So we have considered minus 1 as the coefficient here. Here QR is considered as 1 into QR. So its coefficient is 1. Minus RP. Here negative 1 into RP is negative RP. So that negative 1 is considered as the coefficient. X by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. Here x by 2 is one of the term, y by 2 is another term, and minus xy is other term. See, it is written in the second column. Now tell me what are the coefficients. Here it is x by 2. X by 2 is same as 1 by 2 into x. So 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x by 2. 1 by 2 into y is y by 2. So by 2 is the coefficient of y. Here negative xy. Negative xy means minus 1 into xy. So the coefficient is negative 1. 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. Here there are three terms, that is 0.3a is one of the term, minus 0.6ab is another term, 0.5b is the third term, and the coefficients are 0.3 is the coefficient of first term, minus 0.6 is the coefficient of another term, and 0.5 is the coefficient of third term. Second question, classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? In your note, the answer is given in three boxes. In the first box, first column is for monomials, second column is for binomials, and third column is for trinomials. And among that, there are two algebraic expressions which do not fit in any of these categories. That is, polynomials that do not fit in the above three categories are x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Here 4 terms are there. So, it does not fit in monomial, binomial or trinomial. And next it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. There also you can see 4 terms. So, that also do not fit in the three categories. Add the following: AB minus BC, BC minus CA, and CA minus AB. You can arrange it in row wise and add. If you are arranging it in row wise means you will add all this together like this and combine. AB and minus AB cancelled, minus BC and plus BC cancelled, minus CA and plus CA cancelled. So the final answer is 0. This is how we add by arranging in row wise. If it is column wise, how will you do? We will arrange it like this. First expression we will write first AB minus BC. Second expression it is BC minus CA. So below this BC we will write BC, then minus CA. And the third expression is CA minus AB. So we can write CA below minus CA and minus AB below plus AB here. Minus AB. This is how we arrange them in column wise. Now add minus CA and plus CA, it is 0. Minus BC plus BC 0. Minus AB plus AB 0. We will get the answer as 0. Next question, add A minus B plus AB, then B minus C plus BC and C minus A plus AC. If it is row wise, we will add all those expressions together like this. Now see the like terms. Here you look, A and minus A are like terms. A minus A it is cancelled. Minus B and plus B. Both are like terms. One is negative and one is positive, so it is cancelled. Next, here you look, minus C and plus C. That also cancelled. So what is remaining there? AB plus BC plus AC. So the answer is AB plus BC plus AC. Next question, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. The second expression it is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. We can add it by arranging in column wise. First we will write the first expression, that is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Below that write the second expression, 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Arrange it in column wise and add. 4 plus 5 it is 9, minus 3pq plus 7pq, minus 3 plus 7 it is plus 4, so it is plus 4pq. Next, 2 plus minus 3 it is minus 1, so it is negative p square q square. Next question, L square plus m square plus n square plus L square, then 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. We can arrange it in column wise. See how it is arranged in column wise. First L square plus m square. Below that m square plus n square. And below that L square plus n square. And this 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl does not have any like terms. So we write it separately here. Now add all those. You'll get the answer as 2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. In all those cases, you can see 2 is common. Take that 2 common outside the bracket. So the answer becomes 2 into l square plus m square plus n square plus lm plus mn plus nl. Or it is written in row wise and combined all the like terms. In that way also you will get the same answer. Next it is subtract. Next question it is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. The second expression we will write first. Below that write the first expression. And you know how to subtract integers. How will you subtract integers? You will convert the question into addition. Minus 3 plus minus 12 it is minus 15. 5 plus minus 3 it is 2. So it is 2b. Minus 9 plus 7 it is minus 2ab. Here 12 minus 4 it is 8a. Second question also. The same way, second expression is written first. Below that, written the first expression, and you have converted positive into negative or negative into positive. Then add. First, we will arrange them in like term. Like terms will be written below like term itself. Then convert it into its second term is converted into its additive inverse. Then add. See here, 5xy minus 3xy it is 2xy. Minus 2yz minus 5yz it is minus 7yz. Minus 2zx minus 7zx it is 5zx. Then 10xyz. 5p square q minus 2pq square plus 5pq minus 11q minus 3p plus 18. Below that write 4p square q plus 5pq square minus 3pq plus 7q minus 8p minus 10. Now change the sign of that second expressions. Negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, etc. After that you can add 5 plus minus 4 it is 1p square q minus 2pq square plus minus 5pq square is equal to minus 7pq square. Here 5pq plus 3pq is equal to 8pq. Minus 11q plus minus 7q is minus 18q. Minus 3p plus 8p is plus 5p. Plus 18 plus 10 it is plus 28.